Hey guys, welcome back to another video of delivering a press brake. This one I had hot shotted over to Lacombe, Louisiana. This is an 8-foot, 110-ton Prima Press machine that will bend, with the standard tooling, it'll bend 3/16 across the full width, but easily bend 1/4 inch with a slightly wider bottom die. And so the customer, who is Travis Bath, I've known him for quite some time. We've been friends, talking on and off about getting him a machine, and it finally got to the point where he was ready for it. And he had a forklift ordered for that morning to be delivered, a 15,000 pound forklift. This machine weighs somewhere in the 10 to 12,000 range. Don't know the exact number, but as it turned out, the forklift being delivered from United Rentals was delayed because the guy had a blowout or a flat tire on the way over. So the hotshot driver was being held up because of that, and so the customer had this cat excavator, and we're able to get it lifted up so the forklift or the hotshot driver could pull out from under it. And we sat it down on the ground and waited a couple more hours for the forklift to get delivered.
Delivery fee $180.
All right, so just getting the brake in its final location. Often the rigging, unloading, getting it placed will take 2, 3, 4 hours, and then actually getting it set up and doing training goes pretty quick. Here you see loading in the hydraulic fluid. I think this one took about 45 gallons or so, somewhere in that range, 45, 50 gallons. Just loading her up from the top. And that's Travis, you see, pouring the fluid in there. This one had just a couple things that we had to do on it. The arm for the control unit had come loose a little bit in shipping, and then there was a wire loose up on top. But then after that, it was just a matter of getting it dialed in. And these brakes really are pretty straightforward to operate. You basically select a material type, select material thickness, and then you know, the width that you're bending, and it will produce an estimate on the tonnage required. And then after that, once you start bending, you know, get a couple of angles in there, there's a correction factor. So, you know, it's likely not to bend 90 on your first try. And then through trial and error and applying a correction factor, you'll get the back gauge and the angle dialed in. And I need to do a video showing this in more detail. Once you kind of get the hang of it, it's really quick and straightforward. I mean, the whole thing can be wired, fluid filled, and dialed in bending in, you know, less than an hour. And here's some 1/4 inch plate getting bent. So I got another press brake just like this one on the way, 110 ton, 8 foot, and the price is $39,000 plus shipping. So hit me up. It'll be here around October the 10th, and then I got smaller ones that'll be available as well. Oh man, check out the guys up at Peace Lily Metalworks up in Illinois. And this machine's been in production just a few days. Andrew Dial and I worked back and forth to get this machine up to him and worked through a few little startup issues, but look at it go now. Making parts, making money, everybody's happy. And if you don't know, these machines run the Cybelic CT8 CNC controller, and you can see in the top left he's got one of two bend sequences there. The first bend is 109 degrees with a 1.75 flange, and the second bend is a 108 degree angle and a 1.2 inch flange.